Welcome back to another episode of Budget Rebuilds. So y'all just saw us unloading this bike over there at the auction. So this is another parts bike we bought to fix our crispy critter, but this one's too nice to part. I'm just kidding. We're definitely gonna part this one out. It was listed as a run and drive, which is the only one we bought that was listed as run and drive, so everything should be good to go. But I guess first order of business is go ahead and put a jump box on it and try to get it started, see how it runs. Check the oil first too. Got some miles. Seriously. Ah! Damn it, man. Jump box didn't have enough juice to start it. Let's put a charger on it. I'll plug this in and put a charger on it. We'll give it like 15 minutes.
You wouldn't hold me back if you could. We've had ourselves to blame for our love. Oh, I tried to hold you close, but you just left me. I need to find a way out from this hell by myself.
Alright, let's try this again. Neutral. We couldn't get it to start with a dead battery in the jump box, so we went ahead and just put a brand new battery in it. We're going to have it for our new Softail anyway. We're going to go ahead and try to start it. Oh. For some reason the fuel pump runs all the time, so I unplugged it. Now it's not running all the time. It's weird. I wonder if it's weird. I don't know. Now it's not running at all. Well, alright, so we tried to get it to start. Fuel pump was not coming on. We got it narrowed down to this relay right here. Can y'all see that? And you can just tell it got a bunch of water inside of it, quit working. So we bought a relay from an F-150. Now my fuel pump works. Cool. She's a runner. I guess we can go ahead and start taking apart First thing I want to do is get the tank and fenders off so we can go ahead and get it to Josh and let him be painting that. And then I'll get it pulled in there and start getting out the wiring harness and the motor and transmission and everything else that we're going to use on our crispy critter, Christine.